Hey guys, hope everyone's having a great Saturday. Today we're going to look at SUI. It's one of the only 2 or 3 coins that seems to be pumping going into the weekend. So you got to ask yourself, why is it pumping? What's going on? So what I'm seeing is pretty evident. And again, I've had a really rough week in the office this week. It's probably my worst week trading this year. Everything I'm doing, the timing is off, like I'm jumping into a long early, getting taken out, and then the move happens like 10%. Or I'll take a fade, same thing, I'll take it early, and then the fade plays out like 10-15%. So it's been a rough week, but I think there's some rules within TA that still got to be acknowledged. And this is a clear market maker model that I'm seeing on SUI. So if you look here, this is a very obvious consolidation range with your high right here. Now right here I have a circle lit up, and that's because there was a liquidity raid of this wick right here. And effectively what they did was they brought the price right into it, but not actually taking out that liquidity point, hereby engineering more liquidity before the big push down. And then you had this blowout candle right here. Now, on the way down, there was 3 levels, right? Accumulation. Here's a level 2, level 3, and then the blowout. And then here's your accumulation before going into distribution. Here's your level 1, level 2. And you could see the sneaky little algo dirtbag, whoever's running this algo. But the good thing is he's leaving a footprint, this cunt. And you could see on the way down here, they stopped it right above liquidity just to engineer a little bit more before they dropped it down. So you could see on the way up, same thing. They brought it right into it, and they engineered some more shorts over here so they could grab that buy side at the final target, which is the draw on liquidity. This is going to play out. And I think for the way to size the trade up is you have a long and a short. In this area here, you have an accumulation of liquidity right above this imbalance candle. So I'd imagine that there's going to be a drop into this area right here, just like there was in this imbalance right here before pushing up for one more drive. And same thing over here. So the good thing about the algo for SUI, it's very predictable based on what you're seeing right here. I think it would be illogical for the algo to just push up from here and then take all that buy side in one shot. It would make more sense to kind of just consolidate, dick around in this area, and then fake out a bit to the upside and then drop it right into that imbalance. So I think you have a long from here to here. Let's assume it covers like 3/5 of that imbalance. You have a 12% move to the upside. On the way down, these are the targets. Very simple. Basically, if you invert the chart, same bullshit on the sell side, right? So this is like your buy side. This was your buy side on the way up, and you're going to be taking back the sell side, which are these stops over here on the way down. So what I'm thinking, take out this strong liquidity, push down, start taking out this liquidity, this, and then look for where it goes from there. High time frame, I'm sure there's a draw to the downside. Well, maybe it's the exchange I'm on, but on Binance, just this one beefy candle, and this was the low. So you could look at it also like this was a PO3 on high time frame. I don't know if I have this saved, but I remember drawing it. Yeah, I probably have it on the perp chart here. Yeah, here you go. So ultimately, I think there's a 4-hour PO3 set up here. You can see a long accumulation, really strong manipulative move, taking out these fuckers. And it's effectively, you're looking for it to pull back in and reclaim a level over here inside one of the breakers. There's a couple areas of interest, but ultimately, I believe that these open wicks here are going to get taken out, and then this is the main draw, which is going to be a daily imbalance for SUI. So that's the remaining imbalance here, and then you have a major bearish order block over there. So that's SUI, guys. Algo is leaving us a footprint. I love it. Maybe I'm going to take this trade. I've been a little trigger shy the last 2 days, but this one I have pretty high confidence in. That's why I'm making a video. I'm looking to get long on the pullback in the imbalance, and I'm looking to get short once they fulfill the draw on liquidity up here at the top of the accumulation. All right, cheers, guys.